there has been a concern about introduction of excess duty on motorcycles. Again, the decision that we made last year to incentivize local assembly of motorcycles have seen a lot of institutions set up local assembly of motorcycles here in Kenya. There is no reason why we must import a complete finished motorcycle from China. So we are putting excess duty on the one that is imported, but the ones that are made here locally, those are exempted. And it's also important to mention, to protect the vulnerable and those people at the bottom of the pyramid, the eco levy on tires has been exempted on motorcycles, on bicycles, and on wheelchairs, so that those people doing that business around the border sector will not, and even wheelbarrows, so that we don't increase. So there is no worry, there is not going to be increase in the price of wheelbarrow or motorcycles or tuk-tuks or bicycles. Thank you very much. All mkokoteni.
Asanteni, there is lunch. Karibuni lunch.
I just want to argue because I